Hey everybody, I'm Lydell Steiner. I'm here with Bob Filbrun. And Bob, can you tell me where we're at and who you are and what your role is here?
Sure. We're at the Ohio State University Wooster campus. This is one of our specialty crops and agronomic farms combined. This is what we call the Fry Farm. I'm the specialty crops manager, and basically that entails just about any crop outside of your agronomic crops.
So behind us, we just laid some plastic mulch. You have the tractor and the plastic mulch layer. Tell me a little bit about your purchasing decision to get this unit.
So we're kind of in a unique vegetable production system in that a lot of our, being that it is research, it is typically small plot work. We're not typically dealing with large acreage. Probably 1 acre plantings are about the maximum size that we typically will plant for a research trial. We did have experience in the past with the rain flow systems, which worked fine, but the smaller equipment for what we do in research, especially smaller scale vegetable work, has just served us better for our employees. The ease of changing equipment, the implements on the Tilmor, and even just the ease of laying the plastic and working around the equipment.
Yeah, you had mentioned again, just having smaller equipment there's a perception of safety and a reality of safety, just not as big, not as heavy.
Exactly.
And so, yeah, I was, here with you today. The Bailey, the operator, she was doing great. She's got some experience on this, but yeah, it was seems like your team's got it fairly tuned in. I know every system does take time to learn, but you got that this summer, or this spring, and so you've now, how many acres have you guys laid plastic on so far this year?
So yes, for this year we've probably laid about 3.5 acres of plastic.
But at different times.
Right, all spread out. Some larger trials than others, but I think 3/4 to 1 acre watermelon fields have been our largest plantings.
Okay. Yeah, so Bob, any feedback, questions, or thoughts that you have on the mulch layer aside from what you've already shared, or anything else that's interesting that?
Yeah, it has taken us a little bit of tweaking to get it to where we are now. Some of the adjustments, sometimes we'll get more soil pulling up, kind of on the closing discs. But all in all, once we kind of got that ironed out, it worked really smoothly. It doesn't take a ton of skill, but definitely, I can put most people on the Tilmor and they can handle it well. Obviously, I've got Bailey who's done it most of this season and some of last, so she's gotten pretty adept at it by this point.
Very good. Well, thank you, Bob, for letting us come out here, and yeah, it's good meeting with you.
You're very welcome.
So.